So first of all, you have sensors on machines. They create signals, and IoT connects those into a data lake. Now, machine learning algorithms help to dig through all kind of the data and digest it and make meaning out of this. So this is kind of the intelligence part. Now we're putting automation in place, and this automation is kind of literally scheduling the maintenance job. And it's ordering kind of all the spare parts that the maintenance engineer needs to do that job. Now, the maintenance engineer arrives at the site, and it has an AR headset, gets kind of instructions on how to fulfill the maintenance job. So it needs not a lot of training to do the job. And if there's something highly complicated, he can call or she can video call an expert on a shoulder to that job, and it gets fulfilled. So you see, maintenance is done totally different than before.
So maintenance, predictive maintenance, it's a single use case, but it's bringing together all of these different technologies into quite radically different processes to reach these step changes in performance improvement.
Correct. To give you another example, digital performance management is also a highly used and a highly impactful use case. We all know the dashboards in manufacturing sites. You walk into a site, and today all of those sites have dashboards. You see some KPIs lighting up, etc. That's not digital performance management. What digital performance management is, these dashboards get fed by sensors, by accurate real-time data. We are not talking in a management meeting anymore whether this data is true, because there's one source of truth. It's in there, it's correct, and it's real time. It's right after the shift, so we can problem solve immediately. Now we want to drill down and understand something. On a fingertip, we can drill down into the data, make meaning out of that, and solve a problem